Hi students, in civil engineering project management we are studying the module, and in the fifth module we are studying about the safety management and material management in construction. In the previous sessions we have studied about the material management completely, and the last session we have started studying about safety management. Some of the safety precautions or measures required for excavation, blasting, drilling, etc. are studied yesterday. And today, in today's session, our topic of discussion is safety measures to be taken for some of the construction operations such as ladder safety, scaffolding safety, and safety for during the demolition stages, etc. So first one, safety measures to be taken for ladder safety. First one is, before use, all ladders should be tested for the designed load. Second precaution is, a defective ladder should not be used in a construction site. Third precaution, the splicing of ladder should be avoided. Fourth one, the ladder leading to landing should be extended at least 1 meter above the landing and secured at the upper end properly. Fifth one, ladders should not be supported against window panes, sashes or other unsafe or yielding objects. Sixth one, when the ladders are used in public walkways, suitable barricade should be provided. Seventh one, while using ladder, one should not lean sideways more than 30 cm. Eighth one, while ascending or descending, the user should face the ladder. Ninth one, to prevent slipping, a ladder should be placed in such a way that it does not make an angle of lower than 75 degrees with the ground. And the last one, the metal ladder should be used around electric circuit or equipment. The metal ladder should not be used around electric circuit or equipment. So these are some of the important precautionary measures to be taken for ladder safety. Next is the safety measures to be taken for scaffolding. First one, the vertical standard should be embedded into the ground to withstand the loads coming on the scaffolding. Second one, the workers should not be allowed to lit fire near the scaffolding. Third one, the boarding over which the mason sits should be sufficient width and strength to take up the load of workers and building materials needed for immediate use. So the boarding should be provided with sufficient strength and width. Fourth one, various stages of constructions may be erected at convenient heights. Fifth one, the putlock should be inserted sufficiently deep into the wall to avoid sliding. Sixth one, the sizes of different members should be properly designed according to the load they are supposed to carry. Seventh one, nobody should be allowed to stand below the scaffolding. Eighth one, as the scaffoldings are not designed to carry large quantity of building materials, only small quantity should be put on the scaffolding. Ninth one, while connecting ledgers to standards and putlocks to ledgers, lashing should be done securely in order to ensure the safety. 10th one, when the work is over, the scaffolding should be dismantled step by step from upper side. Scaffolding is a temporary arrangement, so beware of working in scaffolding. The following measures or precautions should be taken while working in a scaffolding. Next is the safety measures to be taken for fabrication in construction, which includes, first one, protective equipment should be provided. Second one, flame resistant gloves should be wear. Third one, safety glasses should be wear. Fourth one, welding helmet should be there. Fifth one, oil resistant shoes should be there. Sixth one, earplugs or earmuffs should be used. Seventh one, specialized garment should be used for depending on the nature of the fabrication works. Next is the safety measures to be taken for the erection in construction. While erecting the steel structures in construction industry, the following precautions should be taken. First one, proper anchorage should be provided for stability. Second one, field bolting to help provide lateral stability and prevent the rotation. Third one, secured hoisting cables to the members until they are fastened in place. Fourth one, clearing of access roads, pedestrian or traffic management. Fifth one, enough drained compacted space to move and stage equipment and supplies. Sixth one, all walking and walking surfaces must be kept clear for tripping and impalement hazards. Seventh one, overhead protection to prevent objects and debris from falling on workers. Next is the safety measures to be taken for demolition in construction. The first one, be asbestos aware. That is, demolition and refurbishment asbestos surveys and subsequent removal of licensed asbestos must be carried out before any demolition work takes place. Second one, personal protective equipment PPE should be worn. Third one, prevent accidents with training, qualification and experience of the employees. Fourth one, monitor the noise, vibration and dust while working. Fifth one, a clean site is a safe site. So, first of all, clean the site. Sixth one, manage the traffic movement there. Seventh one, risk assessment and method statements are essential in case of demolition works. Eighth one, be aware of proximity to the plant. Ninth, maintain a stream of communication and encourage the feedback among employees. And the last one, manage the waste disposal in demolition site. So these are some of the important safety precautions to be taken while doing or engaging in demolition. The previous year university questions asked from this portion is, first one, discuss the measures to ensure the safety in construction, which is asked for 10 marks. So the answer should include the different measures to ensure safety in construction. First of all, write a brief note on the safety in construction and discuss the general measures to be taken for ensuring safety in construction for different purposes such as drilling, blasting, excavation, road construction, for storage purposes, while working in scaffolding, ladders, demolition area, etc. So the general measures to be taken or the general cares should be taken to ensure safety in construction should be listed. About 20 points should be listed. There should be a brief introduction and brief conclusion for this. So you will get the 10 marks definitely. And the second question is, what are the measures to ensure safety in road construction? So list any 10 different measures that should ensure safety in road construction. First of all, state what is safety. Second, state the importance of safety in construction. Thereafter, list the different measures to be taken to ensure the safety in road construction. So, hoping that you have understood the various safety measures to be taken for while working in ladder, scaffolding, while working with the demolition, etc. So study well, prepare well for the university examinations, stay safe. Okay, thank you.